Machiegni kendo nyako Ramogi piny owacho okwa mondo oneni oganda mayudo omenda mag kony maya kuom piny owacho dwe ka dwe oyudo omenda go e sama mowinjore. Ma en kaluwore gi mago mawachore ni moko kuom wede jogo ma hikgi oniang' imayo omenda go gi familia magi, ka jatatije mar Ahadi Trust Kenya Stanley Kamau wacho ni osefwenyore ni omenda go ok kony joma owinjore gi kony ahinya to ka oorgi ka gisekunore, ma miyo anyuola kod familia tho geto mayo jogo ma hikgi oniang' omenda go. Kamau nowuoyo e kinde mane gichiwo chiemb kony gi konyruok chiemb kony gi gige konyruok mamoko ne jodongo e ward ma Kuhumba Murang'a, kama ne wachore ni kopogore gi anyuola ma thoro kao omenda go, jokuoge bende koro geto mayo jodongo go omenda go.
Who take advantage of the elderly in whichever way. And I want to call on the administration to offer security to the elderly and especially persons living with disability. This cash transfer that was given recently, it has created a lot of havoc, it has created trauma, it has created a lot of pain to some of our elderly persons in this country. It's a high time that we think about the security of the persons living with disability and the elderly in our society. It's very sad that we have young people who are harassing their parents, harassing their grandfathers, harassing their fathers, harassing their mothers because of the cash transfer. We need to come up with a system where this money can be distributed, if possible, every month without fail. When you give a lump sum amount of money to the elderly people, you are risking their lives, you are risking their dignity.
Imeripotiwa kwangu na mzee mmoja ambaye pesa yake after kupewa aliporwa na vijana, lakini tunafuatilia kujua hao vijana ni wagani. Na pia ningependa kuchukua nafasi hii kuwaonya vijana ambao wangekuwa na fikra ama mawazo ya kuhandaa ama kunyang'anya wazee pesa ambazo wamepewa. Tusikue watu wa kuhandaa wazee wetu. Kile kidogo wamepewa na serikali tuache na tuwapee heshima na tuwapee amani wakikitumia.